just came back from a whole week in the south of Chile, and of course I have a bunch of product for video review. Let's see what we got here. How do you open this? Oh, here. Okay. This is a safety clamp for a motorcycle, a car, a trailer, anything that you want to secure and avoid any potential theft. This is your solution. So I'm going to put it in a car later today and show how easy it is to install, and eventually we'll take it down to Chile, actually, where we're going to use it permanently there. So here we are with this clamp, and as you can see, it has different settings to make it less or more wide, and then you can attach it. So the key is very specific, so be careful not to lose it, of course. Basically, this pin goes here in the case, then you open it, and let's try it here on this, on the Civic. So there it is. If someone will try to steal this, we'll have a lot of trouble dealing with it. It will damage the wheel, and basically they wouldn't go anywhere. And just by the visual of having that on the wheel, I don't think nobody would even try to do anything to this car. I'm gonna try it on a motorcycle with my neighbor here across the street, just to see how it works on different sizes or wheels. But for now, this is a good demo of this clamp. So here we have a much bigger vehicle. This is a Ram 1500. Let's try it here too. You unlock it. I have to find one of the holes. There you go. And it's safe. So it works on a small car, on a pickup truck, pretty much anywhere. And again, to take it off, you just put the key in, and that's pretty much it. So Tim, do you use anything like this?
So I would definitely use something like that with staying at a hotel, anytime that you're skeptical about somebody taking off with your bike.
Yeah, because here at home, it's supposed to be safe inside your garage, right?
Hopefully.
So it looks cool, actually, I think. So this is a Harley, pretty nice bike, and an added safety feature just in case. Although the bike is what, 900 pounds?
Yes.
So not everybody can move this bike on their own, and with that, even much difficult. So, and the good thing about this bike for this product, which is kind of heavy, this clamp, is that you take the key out first. Let's put a towel or something. You can close it and you can take it anywhere. So there you go. Here's your key.
Perfect.
Proud owner of the tire clamp for your motorcycle. Good luck.
Thank you, Abby.